Globe's Gen 3 smart bulb offers you complete control over your light with all the benefits of smart home technology. In your Globe smart bulb box, you will find 4 smart bulbs and your information sheet. To get started, download the Globe Suite app. Go to the App Store or Google Play and search for Globe Suite. Download the app, open it, and follow the on-screen instructions to log in or register. If prompted, allow Globe Suite to send notifications to your smartphone or tablet. Now, power the device by screwing the bulb into a socket. Then turn on the switch. The bulb should start blinking automatically. If it does not, you can manually put it into pairing mode. Switch the power on and off 3 times. Once the bulb is blinking rapidly, this means your light is in pairing mode and is ready to connect. To connect to your smart bulb, ensure you are connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. In the Globe Suite app, choose Add Device or tap the plus sign in the top right-hand corner of the screen. The default scan connection method will automatically start. Ensure your Bluetooth is turned on. Allow the scan to complete to discover your smart devices. Tap Next. When prompted, confirm your Wi-Fi name and password. Wait a few moments for the bulb to connect. Once your device is listed, tap Done. You can now control your smart bulb directly from the Globe Suite app. On the Globe Suite home screen, select the smart bulb to access its controls. Tap On in the middle of your screen to turn on your light. In the white panel, use the cooler whites for more focused, task-oriented lighting, or make your light warmer when you want to relax. You could adjust your light's temperature and brightness using the sliders and preset options. To switch your light from white to color, select the Color panel at the bottom of your screen. Choose from a spectrum of RGB color options using the wheel or the preset options. You can also adjust the saturation and brightness using the sliders. Select the Mood panel at the bottom of your screen to access active lighting options. Customize the preset moods, or tap Add a new mood to create your own fun theme. To explore automatic lighting routines, choose Routine at the bottom of your screen. Choose from a variety of preset routines which were designed for easy, everyday household needs. Each routine is unique and can be customized to your liking. Use the option Add a new schedule to create additional routines that fit your specific needs. To set visual reminders, use the timer at the top of the Routines panel. Set a countdown for your light to turn on or off and start the feature when desired. Connect your bulb with a voice assistant and control your device even when you don't have your phone or tablet. Hey Google, Amazon Alexa, and SmartThings can be connected directly through your Globe Suite profile, while Siri commands are created within SmartScenes. To pair your device, go to your profile, and then tap Integration. Select the voice assistant you would like to link your device to, and connect your account to the Globe Suite app. Discover all these features and more with Globe Suite. Explore the rest of the smart home collection and make your home smart with Globe.